Hey everyone, if you want live interactive classes, then please follow the link which I have provided in the description of this video. Okay, welcome to Fresh Library YouTube channel. Today in this class, we are going to discuss about on the what is project, what is product, and what is Python. Okay, when it was invented, who invented. Okay, so this is a basic or introduction of Python. Okay, so before proceeding into today's session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the last class. So in the last class, we have discussed about uh, yeah, I'm going to show this one. Who are eligible for this course, okay, and who is developer or who is tester, and what type of other skills you can learn with this Python, and how you are going to get a job on this Python, how much coding it is required, okay, who are eligible for this course, okay. All these things we have discussed in the last class. So in this in this class, we are going to discuss about the some more introduction about Python. So first of all, today I want to tell you about project, what is project and what is product. Okay, so here, first of all, whenever you are going to work in an IT company, so they will get some projects, okay, and you have to work on their projects only, that kind of projects only. And some of them are IT companies, they will not get projects because they have their own product. They have then their own product. Okay, so what is the difference between this project and our product? Okay, I'm going to explain you. Okay, I'm going to explain you. Okay, so here, first of all, our class is about project and product. Project or product. Okay, so first of all, what is project? Project is nothing but an it is the project. If you are for suppose if you are working for Infosys, okay, if you are working for Infosys, and if these Infosys will get some projects from their clients, like some of them are from banking, some of them are from finance, some of them are from healthcare, okay, some of them are from telecommunications, okay. Each company will have some will get some projects, like and each company will get the projects, it depends upon their skills, and it depends upon their requirement. Okay, so here, first of all, I want to tell you about what is a product. Okay, then later we can discuss about what is project also. Okay, so here, product means it will a company, it will develop the software for themselves. Okay, it will not rely on any external clients, it will not rely on any external clients, like for suppose here we can you can take an example as a ms office. ms office, so in this ms office, who developed this ms office first? uh, Microsoft only, right? Microsoft or Windows, okay. And OS, we can also consider as Windows OS, Windows operating system. We are having different kinds of operating systems, like Windows and Linux, Apple, Mac, okay. So we are having different kinds of OSs. So Apple is one of the product, okay, and Windows is the one of the product. Okay, and Linux is the one of the product. Okay, so they are not working for other external clients. Okay, they are working for their own product. Okay, so here, first of all, I want to give an example of this product. Why I'm going to tell this is because after getting the job you have to work on these kind of areas only, whether it is maybe a project based or whether it may be a product based. That's why in the introduction only I'm going to tell you about what is project and what is product. Okay, so uh, product. Okay, so product example of this product is MS Office. uh, MS Office. Okay, so MS Office is a one of the product. Yeah, it developed for this. Okay, and then this MS Office created not only for one person. So MS Office was created. Okay, so it is developed for only one purpose, one person. Not right. We are also using that. We so many persons in the worldwide, so many persons are using that product. Okay, it is not designed for only one particular persons. Created not only for one person. Okay, MS Office is created not only for one person. It will be used by so many people. Okay, and next, this product is something that is developed based on company specifications and can be used by multiple customers. Okay, so product is something that. So here I'm going to write that one. Uh, product is something that. Product is something that is developed for or developed based on companies specifications. Okay, specifications, and can be used by multiple. Okay, can be used by multiple customers, not for single customer. Okay, users, multiple customers. Customers are nothing but an users. Okay, next. So here, this MS Office, not only this MS Office, we can also consider some other examples also. For suppose one hospital is established, or one hospital is started. Okay, so that hospital is not not invented or not started for only one person. Okay, not started for only one person. Every patient can go and get meet the doctor. Okay, okay. Every person can go and meet the doctor. Okay, so this is nothing but an product based. Okay, so and also here we have to consider one more point that we can otherwise we can take one more real time example. Okay, so let's take one shop, one cloth shop, cloth, not a cloth shop, it's one in ready-made shop. Okay, so ready-made dresses not designed for one person, right? Everyone can go and we can buy the dresses. Okay, but that dresses are not made for one person. Everyone can go and buy according to their sizes. Okay, so those are ready-made dresses are nothing but a product based. Okay, products. Okay, ready-made dresses are we can take example as ready-made dresses. And project based we can take one more example like the cloths, a class which we are going to stitch. Okay, which we are going to stitch, those are called as an project based, because we will buy the cloth and we will went for the we will went to the machine person. Okay, stitching person, and we will give some measurements according to our size. He will stretch, I mean he will stitch. Okay, according to the our requirement, according to our style, according to our design, according to our sizes, he will stitch. That is nothing but a project based. Okay, that is nothing but an uh, project based. Okay, so ready-made dresses are product based, and the class which we are going to switch as project based. Okay, both purpose is to wear only. Okay, both are designed for humans only. Okay, but their usage is different. Okay, so in the same way, if one company wants to build an application. Okay, so for suppose let's take one real-time example. Let's take one ICICI bank, one bank. Okay, let's take, I'm going to show here CICI bank. Okay, so for this ICICI bank, who will develop this application first? Who will develop this application? This application is developed by developers only. Application is developed by developers, software engineers. Okay, and for developing this application, okay, for developing this application, it has to approach one software company. Okay, it has to approach one software company. Okay, that company is Infosys. That company is, let's take as Infosys. So here, what the Infosys is going to do is, this bank will tell to Infosys that we want one application for our banking services. So and the application must and should contain here. First of all, it has to show the logo at the left corner, and under that you have to it has to show the account section and deposits, and followed by payments, cards, loans, investments. According to these are the ICICI bank specifications. Okay, so these specifications, these functionalities are these options are uh, required by ICICI Bank. These requirements will tell to Infosys. Okay, so what the Infosys will do according to the ICICI Bank specifications, the Infosys will design the application. Okay, Infosys will design the application according to their specifications, according to their requirements. Okay, because every bank has its own specifications and requirements. For suppose, let's take another bank. I am going to open Federal Bank. Okay, So in this federal bank, it is having its own specifications. A federal bank is also having its own specifications. The specifications between these ICICI bank and the specifications between this federal bank are both are different. First, suppose let's consider one more example. Now, this Infosys has designed this application. Okay, okay. After completing of this development of the application, it will tell to ICICI bank to yes, I have designed the application, you can start using it. Like that it will tell, Infosys will tell to ICICI bank. So now a federal bank wants to one more application for their banking applications. Federal bank also wants to some bank some website for their banking purposes. Now, this Infosys is also approaches Infosys. Okay, I mean, this federal bank also approaches Infosys. So we want one banking application for our banking services. Can you please create the application? So now Infosys has also taken this agreement also. Okay, this agreement also has taken by Infosys. So, but here the Infosys already designed one application for ICICI Bank. So, can this application can sold to Federal Bank? Whatever the application is designed for ICICI Bank, can this same application can told sell to Federal Bank? Is it possible? No, because these ICICI bank specifications are different, and these federal bank user interface is different. Whatever we are seeing here, this is called as a user interface. So these federal bank specifications are different, and these ICICI requirements are different. So Infosys will design the both applications for these two banks, but according to their specifications. Okay, these are called as an project based. These are the examples of project based companies. Okay, um, now let me take one more example for product based. Okay, so for product based, what it will tell is for suppose let me take mm, one healthcare. Let's take Apollo Hospital. Okay, so okay, now I'm going to open the Apollo Hospital's page. So now this Apollo Hospital, what it will tell is um, it will design the applications for itself. Okay, and one more thing here we have to notice that Apollo Hospital has some engineers to design their application. Okay, some sort it hired some software engineers. Okay, without approaching the Infosys or Capgemini or Accenture, it has recruited some of the software engineers. Okay, to design their application. Okay, now what it will do is after designing this application by its own employees, not from Infosys employees or Capgemini employees, it has designed the application by its own employees. Okay, after designing this application, it will tell to it will do marketing. Okay, it will do marketing. Then who wants their facilities or services, they can join here. Okay, they will meet and they will see the details, or whatever they want they can take from here only. Okay, so if what now you can understand that what is the difference between these two is project based applications, they will approach some external third party companies like Infosys or of Capgemini or Accenture, like that. But these Apollo Hospitals doesn't approach any software companies, okay, because it has own employees, okay, it has so own employees, okay, according to their requirements, they will design and they will only tell, okay, they will do marketing. This is the difference between project based and product based. So coming to real time example, stitching class, okay, stitching class according to our requirement is called as an project based, okay, and ready-made dresses are example for this product based, okay. Ready-made dresses are not designed for our measurements, okay, they are already designed and we are going to buy, okay, like that. This is the best example of the project based and product based, okay. Now I am going to write the notes for that. I hope you can you have understand that. But if you have any doubts regarding this, you can comment below. uh, then I am going to start explaining again, or I am going to clear the your doubts. Okay, next. So here that is the product based. Now here I am going to write the about project based. Okay, so wow, and one more thing, that a project based are also called as a service based also. Okay, project based or service based. Okay, so the what we have taken example ICICI Bank. Okay, if this ICICI Bank doesn't approach any Infosys, okay, if it has own staff, okay, if it has own software engineers, then it will become a product based. But it doesn't have any IT guys. It doesn't have any software engineers. That's why it is going to approach the any third party companies like Mindtree, L&T, like that. Okay, so then that is called as an project based. Okay, they don't have IT guys. Then they will approach some other companies like Infosys. Okay, next, what they will mention their requirements or specifications like online banking applications. Okay, then this Infosys will tell to the ICICI Bank that let me create this application for you. Oh, you can start using it. An application for you. You can start using it. Okay, next. Next, and project, when we are going to discuss about project. Project is something that project is something that is developed based on particular customer requirement for his usage only, for sorry, only. Okay. Next, some of the examples of these product based companies are teams also, teams, go to meeting, and also Zoom. Okay. Some of the examples of these product based companies. Okay. Now coming to our topic, uh, what is that? Python. So first of all, what is Python? What is the general meaning of Python? Python means snake, right? Python means snake. And generally, if you go and search here, I'm going to close these tabs and searching for Python. Now, actually, it will show the programming language. But generally, if you consider in general terms, what it will show Python. Python means snake. Okay, see here. After introduction of this, I mean, after introduction of this Python programming language, then only it is going to show that it is a programming language. Before that, if you search these kind of a Python word in before 1980s, then it will show only Python only, because Python was introduced in 1989. Okay, before that, what is the Python is? Python is nothing but a snake. Now Python is nothing but Python is a programming language. Okay. Next. So, who introduced this Python programming language? Okay, who introduced this Python programming language? It was, sorry, introduced by Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum. Okay, when it was invented, when he invented this Python programming language is invented in 1989. Okay, invented in 1989. Next, I want to show the picture of this God of Anderson Python. So first, it was introduced in 1980s. Okay, and available to public from 1991. So introduced in 1980s only, but available to public from 1991. So here I am going to write that also. available to public from 1991. Okay. Now, who is the person reason who is the person behind this is here. He is the person, Godovan Rosen. Okay, Godovan Rosen. He introduced this Python programming language. Okay, next, from where, what is the source of this Python programming language? From where it has taken some inputs to design this language is, and what is the origin of this Python programming language? Means where he had taken some sources. Uh, to design this to design this programming language is, first of all, we are having two languages, and that is, first one is ABC scripting language. Okay, in that ABC scripting language, most of the code are English words only. They had used only English words. Okay, and then one more language behind this Python programming language is C language. From C language and ABC scripting language, he was developed a Python programming language. Okay, so origin of Python. Origin of Python. First one is ABC scripting language. Next, C language. Okay, C language. And from these two languages, he developed. Wait a minute. Uh, mm, wait. He developed programming language called Python. Okay, and okay. So he has introduced, one programming language. Language name is called Python. So why he kept that name? He can kept any other name, right? Um, So for mostly our parents will kept a name for us. Okay. Um, okay. In the same way, he also named that one programming language, but he named as a Python. Why he named that as that is Python as, because he is the interested in to show one of the a circus program. Okay, that circus program name is Monty's Python programming. Monty's Python circus. Okay, Monty's Python flying circus. From that circus name, he was introduced this one. I was he was taken that name, and he has assigned that name to this programming language. Okay. Uh, wait. Oh, I'm going to remove these one. These ones. Um, yeah. I am going to show the that circus name. So Mantis Python flying circus. See here. From this Python only, this only he has assigned that name as Mantis Python flying maintain Python programming language. Okay. So Mantis Python flying circus. Next. So we had already written, it was invented in 1989 and it was available probably from 1991. And Python was coming to picture from 2008. Actually, it was invented in 1989 and available probably from 1991, but it doesn't have any popularity in 1990s. Okay. Um, from last 20 to 25 years back only, it was coming into picture and it has get more popularity. I think it's from I'm going to write here from 2008 onwards. Wait 1 minute. So here Python coming into picture. So 2008. Okay. And what is the current version of this Python? What is the current version of this Python? I think it was from 3.1, 3.2. I will show you the current version also. If you want to know the current version of Python, then we can directly go to the its official website. 3.1, 3.2 or 3. Yeah. We can go to all and we can go to downloads. It will show the what is the current version. Yeah, 3.1, 3.3. It is the official website. We can download from here. They For downloading the Python, you don't need any registration or any license. You can directly download because Python is an open source. That's why it is the one of the best feature of this Python programming language. Okay, the and here it is an official website. Okay, 3.1, 3.3. Yeah. In future it may be changed to 3.1, 3.4, 3.1, 3.5 like that. Okay. And the official website I will mention here to download. Okay. Next. Oh, okay. Now we have understood that what is Python, why, who invented, when invented, when it is coming to came into picture. Okay. We had learned all these. Now, why we came for Python? We are having so many programming languages like Java, .NET, okay, Oracle, okay, Ruby. But why we choose Python? So especially this Python is mainly used in data science and AI. AI means artificial intelligence, data science and AI. Okay. And compare When compared to Java, Python is morely used in data science and AI. But in Java, that is not in use for these data science and AI. Okay, of course they can use, but less. Mostly they had used Python only, and mostly Python is used for developing the applications and developing the web applications and for testing the web applications. Okay, developing and testing the web applications. Developing the web application means a full stack. Okay, for full stack and for UI technologies. UI technologies. Okay, UI technology. What is this UI? User interface. So here, let's come to here. Now I am going to open the Flipkart. Okay. Whatever it is displaying here, this is called as an user interface because the Flipkart has designed the application for users only, right? Either you Flipkart or Amazon or any website is designed for user interface only. Yeah, okay. It must satisfy the user requirements. So these called as a user interface. Okay, and uh, for designing this user interface, of course, this is called as a front end. Okay, we can also call this as a front end also. So for for designing this front end, they will use different kinds of skills or technologies like HTML, CSS. Okay, for UI technologies, front end, front end. Me for front end, they can use HTML, CSS. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and CSS is the cascade style sheet. Cascade style sheet. Okay, and JS is the JavaScript. These are mostly used for front end designing and web application. Okay. Okay. And then what about backend? Okay. What about backend? So here I am going to write that also. First of all, what is backend? This is the front end, right? Okay. What is the back end? The code behind this is called as a back end of that application. So here you can consider this as a back end of this application because the user doesn't want to see this code. Okay, user doesn't want to see this code. This is the front end and this is the back end code regarding that. Okay, so for this we can they can use different kinds of languages like Python. Just for example, only I am showing this. Okay, the main motive of backend is unable to see. Normal users don't want to see that backend, right? Backend. First one, language. So which language mostly used? Python. And second thing, For framework, from framework design, they will use Django or Flask. Sorry, they may use Django. And then for database is compulsory. Okay, database. Because if you want to store all this code, then we need one database to storing the code or anything. Okay, so for database you can use Oracle SQL. Okay, Oracle, MySQL, and MongoDB. Okay, like this, these kind of technology will helpful for designing an front end and back end of the application. Okay, next, what are the applications of this Python? Okay, just wait. So applications. Applications of Pythons are first one, data analytics, which are applications, which of the areas which are going to use this Python. Okay, for data analytics, Python is helpful. And second thing, automation testing with Selenium or request library using API. Okay, next, web apps. Next, gaming apps. Most of the gaming apps used Python only for designing. Next, DevOps. Sorry, DevOps use less code, and automation testing also uses less code. And AWS means cloud services, Amazon Web Services. And next, uh, SQL and React JS. Sorry, these many areas are using Python. Data science. Okay, data science like NumPy, pandas. These are the some of the libraries which are available in Python. NumPy, pandas, matplotlib. Okay, like that. Next, AI, artificial intelligence. So these are the areas which are using applications. Okay. Now let's have an overview of what we have discussed in this class. Okay. So we have started with the project or product based. Okay. So product based is nothing but they designed the application for themselves and which are used for customers. And the project is nothing but they don't have any IT guys, then they will approach the third parties, companies like Infosys or Capgemini, like that. They will design the application and they will give to the project persons. Okay, and then Python. It was introduced by Gordon Van Rossum and invented in 1989. Available to public from 1991. Python is coming into picture in 2008, and current version of Python is 3.1 3.10. Here it is an official website for downloading an Python, and origin of Python is from ABC scripting language and C language. So from these two languages he developed one programming language called Python, and these Python uh, name is he has taken from the one of the famous flying circus, like named Monty's Python Flying Circus. Okay. Why we are coming for Python? Because of data science, AI, and it has some more advantages like open source and easy programming. Okay, I will tell about all those in our upcoming sessions. Okay, for upcoming sessions please do subscribe. Okay, and follow the channels. Okay, next, UI technologies. For developing the UI technologies also Python is helpful. So for this front end technologies are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and backends are Python, Django. Okay, and for the database we can use Oracle or MySQL. And applications, what are the applications does Python have is data analytics, automation testing, web apps, gaming, DevOps, AWS, SQL, React.js, data science, and AI. Okay, these are the applications does a Python have. Okay, these are the applications does a Python have. Um, okay, so did you find this class is helpful? Then smash that like button. Want to stay updated with our latest content? Hit subscribe. Got any questions or doubts? Drop them in the comment section. We are here to help. And know someone who is struggling to kickstart their IT career. Share this video and make a difference. Uh, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.